Welcome to yet another episode of Chintasaala, a blended learning platform. Here we continue with the quiz series, the Indian Navy quiz THINQ24. Here we have the fifth episode of this quiz series. Let us begin. We discuss more on Indian Navy. The first question, INS Chakra was given on lease to India by which nation? The options are option A Russia, option B China, option C Japan, option D USA. The right option is option A Russia. The Indian Navy's nuclear-powered attack submarine, the INS Chakra, was leased to India from Russia in 2011. The submarine, formerly known as the Akula-class submarine Nerpa, was returned to Russia in June 2021 after the end of its lease period. Question number 2. Which is the oldest naval base of Indian Navy? The options are option A INS Kolkata, option B INS Vagir, option C INS Vikrant, and option D INS Shivaji. The right option is INS Shivaji. INS Shivaji is one of the oldest naval bases in India. The Indian Navy also has four major bases in Mumbai, Goa, Kawa, Kochi, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, and Port Blair. Question number 3. How many frigates does the Indian Navy possess? The options are option A 10, option B 15, option C 13, option D 12. The right option is option D 12. As of April 2024, the Indian Navy possesses two aircraft carriers, one amphibious transport dock, four tank landing ships, 12 destroyers, 12 frigates, two nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, 16 conventionally powered attack submarines, 18 corvettes, 8 landing craft utilities, 10 large offshore patrol. Question number 4. How many corvettes does the Indian Navy possess? The next question. The options are option A 14, option B 12, option C 23, option D 18. The right option is option D 18. The information is the same. As of April 2024, the Indian Navy possesses two aircraft carriers, one amphibious transport dock, four tank landing ships, 12 destroyers, 12 frigates, two nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines, 16 conventionally powered attack submarines, 18 corvettes, 8 landing craft utilities, 10 large offshore patrol. Let's go to question number 5 now. The Royal Indian Navy was renamed as the Indian Navy in which year? The options are option A 1947, option B 1956, option C 1952, option D 1950. Yes, the right option is option D 1950. With India becoming a republic on 26th January 1950, the prefix Royal was dropped and it was rechristened as the Indian Navy. On 26th January 1950, the crown of the Royal Indian Navy's crest was replaced by Ashoka lion motif for Indian Navy's emblem. Question number 6. What is the name of the special force of the Indian Navy? The options are option A Para Commando Force, option B Varuna Commando Force, option C Garuda Commando Force, option D Marine Commando Force. The right option is Seventh question, what is the theory behind the working of a ship? The options are option A, Archimedes' buoyancy principle, option B, Pascal's law, option C, Newton's second law, option D, Coulomb's law. The right option is option A, Archimedes' buoyancy principle. Ships float due to buoyancy, which is the force that supports objects in liquids and gases. When a ship is in still water, the water pressure below the waterline pushes upward, creating a buoyant force. This force is equal to the weight of fluid that the object displaces and is called buoyant force. The buoyant force pushes upwards against the object. Yes, that is based on Archimedes' principle. We go to question number 8 now. Here is question number 8. Which command is known as Tri-Service Theatre Command? The options are option A, Western Naval Command, option B, the Southern Naval Command, option C, Andaman Nicobar Command, option D, none of the above. The right option is option C, Andaman Nicobar Command. India currently has two fully functioning unified commands, the Andaman and Nicobar Command ANC set up in 2001 and Strategic Forces Command SFC set up in 2003. While the ANC is an integrated theatre command, SFC is an integrated functional command. Question number 9. How many squadrons does the Indian Navy operate? The options are option A 22, option B is 27, option C 20, option D 25. The right option is option D 25. As of July 31st, 2024, the Indian Navy operates 25 air squadrons. Fixed wing aircraft, 11 squadrons. Helicopter squadrons, 10 squadrons. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, 3 squadrons. And the last question of this episode, which satellite is used by the Indian Navy? Option A, GSAT 7, option B, GSAT 1, option C, RISAT 2, option D, INSAT 4. The right option is option A, GSAT 7. GSAT 7 or INSAT 4F is a multi-brand military communication satellite developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. The Indian Navy is the user of multi-band communications spacecraft which has been operational since September 2013. Hence, we come to the end of 5th episode of this quiz series, the Indian Navy quiz, THINQ 2024. We'll be back with another interesting and innovative video. If you're watching it for the first time, the Chintasaala, a blended learning platform, please don't forget to subscribe it, like it and share it. We'll be back with another video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.